Okay,
yes, ma'am.
I've started recording.
Okay.
Okay. Till yesterday, one second. You went through the videos, Durai? I mean, and the PPT?
Yes, ma'am. Types of functional roles or all
Yeah, you went through all
that.
that, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know what ADFDI is also, right? We finished till ADFDI yesterday. That is the
Yes, ma'am.
Application Development Framework Desktop Integrator.
Mm.
Okay, so we'll move into the third topic, which is file-based data import, also called as FBDI. Now,
Okay.
what is meant by FBDI? FBDI is a massive operation in a few clicks. Okay,
Okay.
Oracle's cloud's external sources allow you to load data into Oracle Fusion applications from external sources like legacy systems and third-party applications. You know what a legacy system is, right? A system other than our system. Basically, all the
Yeah,
external
okay.
sources. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Then the external data integration services offer some remarkable features like templates. You know what templates are like? They're structures or formats
Yeah, awesome.
that generate data files as per the requirements of the target application tables. Then they offer another feature, which is called as file-based load process, wherein to load the data you load the data files into the interface tables. Okay. Then you have the application, which is specific data import processes that is used to transfer data from interface tables to application tables.
Okay.
Now, how is FBDI different from ADFDI? See, now you use FBDI import feature to bring in large volumes of data from a third party or other Oracle applications. Or you also use this FBDI to create new data in Oracle Procurement Cloud. For example, you can create new purchase requisitions, or you can import them from external applications in Oracle Procurement Cloud by using the requisition import template. All right.
Okay.
Now, now see, this FBDI is cloud-based. Okay, so FBDI is more useful when the volume of data is very large, but when the volume of data is not that large, then ADFDI will be the best option as it is directly connected to the application. FBDI is basically cloud-based, right?
Okay.
And ADFDI is usually connected to the application that you have installed.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's just go through the procedure of it. See, now here you can see how you have to download the relevant file-based data import template. Okay, and then you enter the data into the template. This is all done in the preparation of data template. Okay, so you enter the data into the template, then you click the generate CSV file on the instructions. We did the CSV file, right, for the ADFDI. You know what CSV
Yes, ma'am.
file is, right? Comma separated values. So what you do is then you create a CSV file, and this CSV generation worksheet in the template creates the CSV files in a zip file format. You know what a zip file format is, right? It is an archive file format that supports lossless data compression. Okay. Then once the compression. Yeah, it is all compressed in one zip file. You would have seen, no, like especially you download all these music files or say a movie or something, you see a zip file.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. So that is how it is. So all this data will be put in the zip file. Then you save the zip file locally in your system. After that, what happens is you sign in to the Oracle Applications Cloud, wherein how do you do that? From the navigation, you will you will head to the tools that we will show it in the practicals. Okay, but I'm just telling you here how this works in a pictorial form. Okay. Once we start with the practicals, you will understand in a better way. Then from the navigator, you go to the tools, you click on file import and export. And then from the search results area, you navigate to actions and click on upload. Then once you click on browse to search for the zipped data file that you have saved in your system, okay, you then select the account for the applicable file-based process. Then you click save and close to transfer the zipped data file to the Oracle Universal Content Manager management. Okay, now see this UCM, Universal Content Management, which is called as UCM, is now referred to as Web Center Content Server. Okay, from I think this they have changed the term from the year 2018. It is I think a new feature in the release 13. This was there till release 12 or release 11. I'm not sure about that. But here the UCM is now referred to as Web Center Content Server. So you better make note of that, because I could not do the corrections here. Okay, so I could not even find a image for that. Fine. Okay. So you please, this is not known as UCM anymore. It is called as Web Center Content Server. Okay, so once all these data is been put in a format and then it's uploaded to the Web Center Content Server. Okay, this is basically a method of file transfer. Okay, this Web Center Content Server is basically a method of file transfer for inbound and outbound integrations. That is data loading as well as extracts. Inbound and outbound, you know what, right? Incoming and outbound calls and all that. Yeah, same thing. Okay. So that is data loading as well as extracts in this. Then Web Center Content Server provides improved and secured file management capabilities, right? Then the data from the CSV files to the interface tables, it's you can see here. Then you load the data into the interface table. Then suppose if you have any errors here, if there are no errors, okay, you directly go, you import data application table using import job. Then even after that, if there are no errors, the data is successfully uploaded to the product tables. Yeah, suppose if there are any errors here, okay, then you kind of delete, load process purges interface table. Purges meaning you get rid of something. Basically, you delete it. Okay. Then suppose if there is some information which is relevant, okay, this can be used or something, that again it goes back to for the correction of the data file. Then again it is sent back to the Web Center Content Server. Okay. Then here in this stage where there is no errors here after the data is loaded into the interface table, here if you find any errors, again it gets corrected. Okay, in the interface table using ADFDI spreadsheets, right? Okay. Then even after the import data application table using import job, even if they find errors here, again it goes back to the ADFDI spreadsheet, it gets corrected there. So basically it's a chain process, right? The irrelevant data gets purged out, and if there is a data which is there is a scope for any correction or anything, again it gets corrected and it goes back to the Web Center Content Server. So basically this whole process is a very fast process, and basically for a very large data, okay, compared to ADFDI. If there's a very small data, then you use this ADFDI spreadsheets for your data upload and all that, okay, to retrieve reports.
If it is large, means you will have
a huge number of files. There is a lot of data, like suppose for example you have multiple applications running simultaneously, right, for a job. Okay, see, all these applications are like interrelated. Okay, offerings, whatever applications you're installing it in the company, it's all interrelated, right? So suppose if there is a huge data that you want to know about the sales, and in detail about sales in which country, in which state, and all multi-dimensional information you want, right? In a different areas and different sections and all that. So the amount of data which is huge, that in that scenario you use file-based data import process. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So that, yes, sir.
Can yes. one thing I will add to
sure,
Durai.
Sure, sir.
Durai.
Sir.
The file large idu sonning kettingala. You are asking, no? See, for example, if in Excel you know, no, rows and columns, rows row. Suppose what happens, 65,000 rows ku mela pona ஒரு லிமிட் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி இதுல இப்போ ADFD இதுல இப்போ கம்மியா இருந்ததுன்னு வச்சுங்க, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு 1000 rows ஆர் 5000 rows டேட்டா இருந்ததுன்னா அது இதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் ADFI. Whereas உங்களுக்கு 1 lakh 2 lakh rows இருக்கு வச்சுங்களேன், 2 lakh rows of data இருக்குன்னா அப்போ you can use this file based data import. ஏன்னா ஸ்பீடு. இது ஏன் ADFI, why this ADFI னா ஏன் ஸ்லோ ஆகுதுன்னா இது it is getting to Oracle இதுல போய் it is checking the fields, okay, and it is validating. அது it is getting slowed. Whereas இங்க அப்படி கிடையாது. இங்க ப்ராசஸ் நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இதுக்கும் அதுக்கும் டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கு பாருங்க. நேத்து ஸ்லைடுக்கும் இந்த ஸ்லைடுக்கும் வித்தியாசம் இருக்கு. அதனாலதான் உங்களுக்கு இது ஸ்பீடு. ஓகேங்களா? Okay, ma'am.
You sometimes you see, when you upload a huge file, it takes a lot of time. It keeps
lot of time.
Yeah. Okay, so that happens usually with the ADFDI because it's connected to the application, right? This is FB. This is cloud based because this is you're using the web center content server here. Okay, so that's the reason it's a matter of clicks. It just gets uploaded and again the reports are generated back to you. All right. Okay. So moving on to the next slide. So what is this is third party application integration with Fusion Cloud. Now what is meant by the third party application integration? See, a third party
sorry to interrupt you.
Yes sir.
Excuse me, sorry to interrupt you.
Yes sir.
Ma'am, that previous slide. Sorry
yes.
to
No problem sir.
One doubt, madam. I have a doubt.
Yes sir.
Can I ask you, ma'am?
Yes sir, sure. If I'm able to answer. You have more knowledge than me, sir, so I don't know. I'll try to answer. Yes sir, please.
Suppose if I have data of around 50,000 rows, okay. Okay, first 10,000 rows is data is correct. Data is correct. I am having the errors in the from 10,500 to 11,000 rows. 500 rows in between I having the error, and from afterwards the data is correct. While doing this, whether this 10,000 rows will get uploaded and that error part from that only it will not get uploaded, or the entire data will not get uploaded?
No. It does, sir. It does get corrected in this stage.
Okay.
That is what is my understanding. I'm not sure. Maybe we can ask Arun sir about it. I feel it that
why I'm asking, why I'm asking is, suppose if we have you are telling large data, okay. First it will upload the first 10,000 rows, and it will give a message that these are all the rows is getting error, and it will prompt us, and then only it will goes to this load process or anything that we have to do it in practical. Then only we can.
Sir, in practical, what happens is you usually whatever the corrected data, it will just pop up there. Okay. You don't know how much data is going back here and getting corrected.
Correct. That's why my question.
Yeah. Okay. See, this is basically a pictorial form, and it all happens.
Pictorial. In practical, we can have.
We cannot actually make out as to how it's the whole process happens. You do get the errors. Okay, fine. These are the errors. It automatically gets corrected, and the unnecessary information will get purged. Okay. And the corrected data will go back here. So that is basically a pictorial form to understand.
No. That's
the screen how the whole process happens.
Yeah, just an example I asked.
Correct, sir. No problem.
Okay, ma'am. Through when we go to practical, we can able to understand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, ma'am. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem, sir. So this is.
You can continue, ma'am.
Yes, sir. So this is okay. What is meant by third-party application integration with Fusion Cloud? So this third-party integration is when a business uses a third-party API to power on integration with another business applications or web service. So basically, you're taking information from the third party, the external sources. Okay. For example, your business might use Google's API to power Google Ads integration. Okay. So you can see on the Google page now, all these ads must be popping in. So that is nothing but the integration with your own website. Like suppose on YouTube, you have your own channel. Okay, so somebody will approach you and tell you, okay, fine, I need this much of 2 seconds. Especially you might see a lot of Grammarly ad, when you get into any of the YouTube videos. I don't know whether you've noticed or not. Have you noticed, Lore?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is basically the integration and the agreement between the party and the third, I mean the basic your business and the third party. Okay, so this is just an example of Google. So now when you take to Oracle, what happens is the Oracle Fusion applications provides web services as one of many mechanisms to integrate with the extend Oracle Fusion applications in Oracle Cloud Services. So web services is one of the features. Like you can upload data through ADFDI, which is attached to the application. This web service is one. See, like ADFDI is one way of uploading and getting information. Then you use FBDI, that which is also cloud based. Then you have this third party application integration, which is again upload and you upload the data and you retrieve the data back. Okay, so this through the help of web. Okay. So here what happens is like extracts can be very like when you need to get larger data sets such as employee budgets and supported output, this third party integration helps. And this fusion extract usually includes in the same formats like CSV, Excel, HTML, and PDF and all that. All right. Then in the reports, the BI reports, business intelligence reports are defined in Fusion, which will give the ability for consumers to set the query parameters. Query, right? I mean, whenever you want to know a report, you run a query. Basically, you want to know. Yeah, to get filtered data. For example, a particular group of employees rather than the entire data set. Okay, so these reports can be accessed by using a web service that makes them data integration friendly. Okay, so
in third party application we'll be using both the web and application.
Correct. We have two patterns here. Okay, let me explain. We have something called as extract and reports. I just mentioned right now. See, we extract reports in the Oracle Fusion Cloud based on a flexible, it's basically a flexible way to generate data files with a defined definition. Okay. Now these extracts can be very, as I said, can be data sets. Data sets meaning a collection of data, like for employee budget or supported output format for Oracle Fusion extract includes like CSV files, Excel files, and HTML. So this is basically we're pulling out data from the third party. That is the cloud in the cloud application. All right, then the reports are generated, like the BI reports, the business intelligence reports is defined in the Fusion itself, while giving the ability for consumers to set the query parameters. Like in the extract thing, you are retrieving, what you say, you're getting information for a larger data set, like a employee budget, in a huge form. In the reports, you can select the query parameters, like you just want an information about a particular group of employees rather than the entire data set. Okay, so this is at your discretion as to how much information you want to receive in the report form and how much you want to extract it. Okay, extraction also means that you are putting out data in the cloud form, which is always sometimes it is usually predefined by the company itself in CSV files or Excel files, like the process that we follow it in ADFDI and FBDI. Okay, so do you want to put in any insight in this, sir? Right now I'm just not able to recollect any relate any example with this.
Ma'am, what you could you come back?
Yeah, I'm just trying to explain it to Durai. Can you just give any example for this?
See, Durai.
Yes, sir.
Third party application integration பத்தி மேம் சொல்றாங்கல்ல, அது உங்களுக்கு புரியுதா என்னன்னு?
புரியுது, பட் அவங்க எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுக்கணும்னு விரும்புறாங்க, வேற ஒண்ணும்.
ஓகே, நீங்க ஏதாவது எக்ஸாம்பிள் கோரிலேட் பண்ண முடியுமா?
Okay, let me wait. I'll show you this example. Wait. Okay, fine.
Okay.
See here. This is the BI Cloud Connector Console. BI meaning Business Cloud Connector Console. What is a connector console? This is basically used to extract business intelligence data from Fusion Applications Cloud data source into Oracle storage service. So you can see here, right? You can see here. Yeah, so this UCM is called as Web Center thing. Okay, so you always remember this, as I told you in the previous slide. All right. So what happens here, like, you know, you're extracting data. This is a Fusion Applications Cloud OLTP, which is the online transaction processing. Okay, so what happens here is you extract Fusion Applications Cloud data. You use the BI Cloud Connector Console, which is deployed on your Fusion Applications pod. Okay, sir has explained what pod is, right? Do you remember what pod is?
Ma'am, actually, I have explained in evening batch.
Evening batch, okay. Basically, see, pod is point of delivery, which means fully contained configuration running on Oracle service. So do you want to give an example for pod here so that you'll get a better clarity?
See, pod is nothing in instance சொல்லுவாங்க instance சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? See, Durai, you know no instance, no? What is meant by instance? Hello, Durai? Ma'am, hello?
Yes, sir.
Some
connectivity issue. Huh? Okay, let him join then.
Ma'am, for...
You know what instance is, no, Durai? Yesterday
that you can explain him.
Yeah.
That's better.
Yeah, you know what instance is. And so you are explaining pod, no, sir? So I'll explain what instance is.
And yeah, you can explain instance and then you can tell him pod. That's all. Simple.
Okay, fine.
You can tell it. That's better.
See, an Oracle instance contains the set of Oracle database background processes, okay, that operates on the stored data and the shared allocated memory that those processes use to do their work. Okay, that is what is an instance. Basically, that's why we always keep referring to as fusion instance, because that whole place is a set of Oracle database. Okay, and the background then processes the data that operate on the stored data and the shared allocation memory, okay, that the processes use to do the commands that we give. Okay, so now this particular console, which is the BI Cloud Console, which is deployed on the Fusion application pod. The pod is point of delivery, okay, which means fully contained configuration running on Oracle service. All right. Now this BI Cloud Connector Console is used to extract BI data from Fusion Applications Cloud data storage service. Okay, or the Web Center content server. So it uses both these. This is the Web Center content server, and this is the Oracle Cloud storage service. So this takes in all the data. So this console is basically what a TV console, no? Like the PlayStation console. Everything is, it's kind of a cabinet wherein everything is put, and what do you say, with all the mechanisms and everything. So it's basically a storage unit. Okay, in a generic term. Fine. Okay, then moving on, this is how it works. Then in this process you extract reports. This all happens in the cloud applications. This is all cloud based. Okay, the ADF till ADFDI, it's attached to the application, the Fusion applications, but here everything happens in the cloud environment. Like even with FBDI, it happens in the cloud, and even the third-party application integration happens in the cloud. So this is what basically it means. Yeah.
Durai, ma'am, I will.
Explain,
me,
sir.
Can I add one thing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Durai. See, in some of the companies, what they will do, they will get a third-party applications. See, sometimes to want to process, for example, in case of pharma company, I will tell you the example. They want to track the field force expense and field force related activities, doctor's visit, or the any other thing. For example, they have to wish the doctor. Automatically, that has to be that message has to go to doctor. Happy doctor day, like that. See anything that want to integrate it, and some more messages. For example, they want to give an information that these are the products that we had promoted, or something in form of in that they can't they have to send a message to their, like that. What they will do, they will tie up with the third party. Okay. But they will tie up with the third party, and what they will do, they will give an information from this. See, Fusion Application Cloud Source, from there the data will be taken, and in the third party application using this BI console, automatically this data will get flowed, and in the third party application they will do a process. Accordingly that report will get generated. See, extract reports, two things. You understand what I am telling? They are extracting the data, then they are preparing the reports. Okay, that is what. See, third party application integration is that is where this place. Okay, you understand what I am saying? Suppose இப்போ உங்க கம்பெனில இப்போ இருக்காங்க, ஒரு தனி அப்ளிகேஷன் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு, அந்த அப்ளிகேஷனை இது கொண்டு வரணும்னு பாக்குறாங்க. வேற அது அதனுடைய ஃபியூச்சர் வேற எந்த இதுலயும், ஈவன் ஆரக்கிள் அப்ளிகேஷன்லயும் வரல அதனுடைய இது. சோ அதுக்கு ஃபிட்மெண்ட் கொண்டு வரணும்னா என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, தேர்ட் பார்ட்டி அப்ளிகேஷன் தனியா வைப்பாங்க. ஏன்னா இப்போ உங்களது ஷிப்பிங் கம்பெனி இல்லையா, சப்போஸ் ஷிப்பிங் கம்பெனிக்கு இந்த ஆரக்கிள் அப்ளிகேஷன்ல அந்த ஒரு இது செட்டப் வரலைன்னா, they will bring a third party application. Okay, so அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, நம்ம கிட்ட இருந்து டேட்டாவை வாங்கி அவங்க அந்த தேர்ட் பார்ட்டி அப்ளிகேஷன்ல இன்டகிரேட் பண்ணி then they will display promotion activities இது பண்ணுவாங்க. புரியுதா? புரியுதுங்களா? சரி. Ma'am, you can
yes sir. I think I have the process. Yes sir, sorry, I actually forgot that I have included this slide. I mean here you will be able to. Yeah, yes sir.
No, the explanation which I given example, is it okay or?
Yes sir, it was in Tamil, so I think I got lost in it. That's okay. No problem, as long as Durai understands, it's fine sir, no problem.
Durai understand aicha?
Yes sir.
Okay. I don't understand Tamil, Durai. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So anyways, now let us look at this slide where this is an example of revenue management here. Okay. I mean, sorry, it's a project management. Yeah. Here the Oracle is it is a revenue management here. Okay. See, here the Oracle revenue management integrates with the other cloud applications such as the Fusion receivables. Okay. You see here the receivables transactions over here. Okay. This is the Fusion application here. Okay, now the cloud project financial management contracts, since both of these applications contain data that's going to be relevant to the new revenue recognition standard. Okay, basically you extract the revenue data here, see, from the Oracle Fusion applications. Then for cloud receivables, source documents such as invoices, credit memos will be relevant to revenue management. Okay. While for project financial management, it would be documents like contracts or warranties. Now there is a predefined process called as the extract and revenue, which we just mentioned in the previous slide. So the basis of the data from basically the data from Oracle Fusion applications that will extract data from the other modules and populate the interface tables. Now these are the it's getting how much time? I think 10 minutes, no?
9 minutes, yeah.
9 minutes, yeah. Okay, fine. So basically, 9 minutes, we still have time. Okay. So basically, it's a predefined process called the extract and revenue. So the data from Oracle Fusion applications that will extract data from other modules and populate the interface table. Populate meaning it furnishes. Okay, so these are the interface tables. Now, what do you mean by interface tables? they are the intermediate into which the data is inserted first. Okay, the first, whatever data is retrieved, it is first inserted into the interface table. So fine, you getting my point? Yeah. So that happens. Yeah. So basically this whole process is called as identify customer contracts. Okay. Here, when you come here, you extract information, then it goes into the interface tables and you validate the customer source data. Then again, that is put into the interface table. Okay, and then in the identify customer contracts, the data is then further sent to the revenue management based tables. Okay, everything is sent in the form of tables here. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
No, you want to? No, you have not finished. No.
No. You continue, sir. That's it.
No. You have finished.
No, you finish. You tell the example, sir. I'm done. Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah. See, Durai.
Yes, sir.
See, this is where the data is extracted. Okay. Revenue basis data from receivable data. Revenue data is getting extracted. Okay. What they will do? They will send the data to the third party application table interface. அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு டேபிள் இருக்கும் இல்லையா? டேபிள் தெரியும் இல்லையா? Rows and columns is called table. So நம்ம டேட்டாபேஸ்ல இருக்கிற டேபிள் டேட்டாவை அவங்களுக்கு அனுப்புவாங்க. Okay, they will send. What they will do? அவங்க டேபிள்ல அத மேப் பண்ணும். புரியுதுங்களா நான் சொல்றது? நம்ம டேபிள்ல நம்ம ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு சின்ன டேட்டா எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்றேன். எம்ப்ளாயி மாஸ்டர் இருக்கு, எம்ப்ளாயி ஐடி எம்ப்ளாயி நேம்னு நம்ம வச்சிருப்போம். பட் அவங்க என்ன பண்ணா ஐடி ஜாப் ஐடி ஜாப் நேம் அப்படின்னு வைப்பாங்க. இல்ல ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இஐடி இ நேம்னு வச்சிருப்பாங்க. ஸோ இது ரெண்டும் இது சேமா இருக்கணும் இல்லையா? சேமா இருந்தா தான் மேப் ஆகும். ஸோ அதுதான் அதை ரெண்டு டேபிளும் அதை இன்டர்ஃபேஸ் பண்ணும். அப்போ ரெவன்யூ பேசிஸ் டேட்டாவை ஃப்ரம் அரக்கல் அப்ளிகேஷன்ல எடுத்து இன்டர்ஃபேஸ் பண்ணி அந்த டேபிள்ல இத பாருங்க, இங்கேயும் திருப்பி இன்டர்ஃபேஸ் நடக்குது. வேலிடேட் பண்ணுவாங்க இந்த டேபிளுடைய ஃபீல்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் கரெக்டான்னு வேலிடேட் பண்ணி தென் another again they will do a interface table. அப்போ மேப்பிங் கரெக்டா மேப் ஆகுதான்னு பாப்பாங்க. மேப் ஆகி ஐடென்டிஃபை இதனுடைய இதுதான் இப்ப நான் சொல்றேன் இல்லையா அந்த தேர்ட் பார்ட்டி அப்ளிகேஷன். ஸோ டேபிள்ஸ் மூலியமா தான் அதை கரெக்டா இது பண்ணுவாங்க, மேப்பிங் பண்ணும். நான் இதுக்கு முன்ன சொன்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு ஜென்ரலா சொன்னேன். ஏன்னா இந்த டேபிள்லாம் நம்ம உங்களுக்கு கிளாரிட்டி ரொம்ப கன்ஃபியூஷனா இருக்க போதுன்னு தான் நான் அப்படி மேலோட்டமா சொன்னேன். பட் உங்களுக்கு டெக்னிக்கலா சொல்லும் போது இதுதான் டேபிள்ஸ், டேட்டா ஸ்டோரிங் இன் டேபிள். நம்மளுடைய டேட்டா ஒரு டேபிள்ல ஒரு இதுல இருக்கும், அவங்க டேபிள் வேற மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஓகே, சோ அந்த டேபிளுக்கு மேப் ஆகணும்னா இது வித் சேமா இருக்கணும், பிளஸ் இதெல்லாம் கரெக்டா இருக்கணும். அதே மாதிரி நேம் மேப்பிங் கரெக்டா பண்ணணும். நேம் மேப்பிங் அதுக்கு இப்போ எம்ப்ளாயி ஐடினா அங்க இஎம்பி அது கரெக்டா இன்டர்ஃபேஸ், அதுதான் அந்த மேப்பிங் கரெக்டா பண்ணாதான் டேட்டா கரெக்டா அந்த தேர்ட் பார்ட்டி இதுக்கு ஃபாலோ. மேம் யூ கேன் கண்டினியூ.
Yeah, that's it for this third party integration. So this is how
okay then?
Yeah.
Okay sir, I actually have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
If it shows errors in interface, means what will be the next step?
This is nothing but you're transferring the data you're sending the information to revenue management.
You are validating
here.
This validation is there.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, so fine, yeah. So anything else you want to add here?
No. This I have explained, madam. In table I got that, and then I
okay
the
fine.
Customer table like that I put an example. It is clear for me.
Okay, fine, sir. So now what should we do? We have 5 minutes. Should we start with the next slide? It's about Oracle
better, ma'am.
solution.
You come out of that and again relog it.
Okay,
better.
Fine. Yeah, okay, fine. So it will take
just
another 5 minutes, I think. Okay, fine. We'll just move into the next slide and just
next slide.
What,
Okay. 4 minutes is there.
Yeah. I'll just okay. Let's see what
invoice imaging solution. Just you give a brief.
introduction. No?
Yeah,
okay,
because
fine.
when we show the demo only.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So let's see what is meant by invoice imaging solution. I'll just read out the formal definition of it. So the imaging solution uses the extracted attributes meaning the features, okay, from the images to create the invoices. Now, Oracle Imaging provides an image viewer that's embedded within Oracle Fusion Payables. Accounts payable personnel, that those are the accounts payable employee can review and, yeah, tell me, you wanted to say something?
No.
Okay. Accounts payable personnel can review and annotate the images using the embedded image viewer. Now, what do you mean by annotate? It's basically adding notes to the given application. All right. So I'll explain it to you in detail with example. Shall we? What should we do, sir? Because that I'll again.
3 minutes, ma'am. Will it be possible to complete it within 3 minutes, or
no? I
because
think I have to show him
coming down.
yeah, no. I think we have to show the example there. So what I'll do is we'll log out and again log in. So is that okay with everyone?
Again come. That's
okay.
yeah. Durai.
Okay.
Log out பண்ணிட்டு திருப்பி login பண்ணிடலாம்.
Okay.
Okay, fine.